Guys, this is the Redmi Note 15 5G and ये लॉन्च हुआ है at just ₹19,999 जिसमें आपको इसका 8GB plus 128GB वेरिएंट मिल जाएगा एंड इसका जो दूसरा वेरिएंट है दैट इज 8GB plus 256GB स्टोरेज वो आपको मिलेगा 21,999 रुपए में। एंड आज के इस वीडियो में हम इस फोन का इन डेप्थ रिव्यू करने वाले हैं जहां वी विल डिस्कस कि हाउ दिस फोन परफॉर्म्स, इस फोन का कैमरा कैसा है एंड बाकी सारी चीजें भी, और क्या ये फोन इस प्राइस पे लेना वर्थ है या फिर नहीं। मेरा नाम है मोहित एंड आप देख रहे हो कैशिफाई। चलिए सबसे पहले लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द डिजाइन एंड डिस्प्ले ऑफ दिस डिवाइस। The Redmi Note 15 5G features a polycarbonate frame and back with a squircle-shaped camera module aligned at the center of the back, housing dual rear cameras with flashlight placed on the bottom right of the module. जो कैमरा प्लेटिंग है वो भी प्लास्टिक की ही है एंड द गुड पार्ट इज दैट इट डजंट अट्रैक्ट टू मेनी स्मचेस, सो नो फिंगरप्रिंट आर्ट गैलरी है। The Redmi branding is aligned at the bottom center of the back. बैक पैनल की जो फिनिशिंग है वो काफी अच्छी है, giving you a premium look and feel. Also इस डिवाइस के बैक पैनल पे उतने ज्यादा स्मचेस नहीं आते। फोन की in hand feel is also quite comfortable. But yes, using this phone without a back cover might feel a bit slippery. But if you can manage that, you'll surely enjoy using this phone without a cover, as it's quite slim at just 7.35 mm thin and weighs only 178 grams. On the front, you get a 6.77-inch 3D curved FHD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, 3200 nits peak brightness, 3840Hz PWM dimming, uniform bezels, and a 20-megapixel selfie camera. The Redmi Note 15 5G gets IP65 plus IP66 ratings, along with the 92% screen-to-body ratio. फोन की डिस्प्ले काफी अच्छी है. The colors are crisp and vibrant, and for day-to-day tasks, using this phone feels genuinely enjoyable. Of course, वो आएगा भी कैसे नहीं, as this display hits you with an instant nostalgia at first glance. As soon as you touch the device for the first time, you suddenly go back in years and realize कि ऐसे edgy phones पहले हम सबने चलाए हैं. Basically, it's old school vibes with modern glow. Talking about the speakers and display combo, I really enjoyed watching content on this device. The 300% volume boost is impressive thanks to those dual speakers and the collaboration with Dolby Atmos. Now, be it scrolling for hours, gaming or watching content, the display won't let you down at all. Even in sunlight, the content remains clearly visible and doesn't create much trouble either. कुछ changes जो आपको देखने को मिलेंगे from the last year's Redmi Note 14 5G, उसमें थी Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, Redmi branding was done vertically to the left, and उसमें थी IP64 rating and a 6.67-inch AMOLED display. Now let's talk about the camera of this device. The circle-shaped camera module packs dual rear cameras and a flashlight. Last year Redmi Note 14 5G में आपको मिलता था 108 megapixel ISOCELL HM6 primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. Now in the Redmi Note 15 5G, you get a world's first 108 megapixel HM9 primary sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and on the front, you get a 20 megapixel selfie shooter. The primary sensor has 0.64 micrometers pixel and f1.7 aperture. The ultra-wide sensor has f2.2 aperture, and the front camera has 1/4-inch sensor size, f2.2 aperture, and 4p lens. Rear cameras are capable of shooting videos up to 4K 30fps, whereas the front camera is capped at shooting 1080p 30fps videos only. The camera interface is quite simple. You get Ultra HD mode, video mode, photo mode, portrait mode, and pro mode. It also has some filters and beautification section as well, and if you are someone who likes filters and some beautification in their pictures, you should definitely try that out. And boy oh boy, before I tell you how the photos are, have a look first. Now, here are some videos taken from this device. The 108 megapixel primary sensor is capable of capturing good details and producing nice photos and videos. Dynamic range is also fine, not that great, but gets the job done. Yes, photos does get soft in the post-processing, and I have also felt and noticed the greens and reds are boosted in the pictures. For the video part, 1x videos are detailed and nice. The colors, sharpness and overall video quality comes out nice, and without that, the videos are jittery. Even on 1x, capturing 3x videos is even harder in that situation. The front camera, as I told you, can shoot videos up to 1080p 30 fps. Since there is no telephoto sensor, you are stuck to basically 1x videos and photos. Digitally, you can go up to a 20x zoom in the photo mode and 6x on the video mode, but again, quality loss will be a major concern there. Low light photos and videos came out nice, and I really like that. Areas of improvement would include less color boosting, improved dynamic range, and stabilization in videos in my opinion. And a plus would be having a telephoto sensor. Now the Redmi Note 15 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor. It has Xiaomi HyperOS 2 based Android 15, and it comes with 4 years of software updates and 6 years of security updates. We have received the 8GB LPDDR4X RAM plus 256GB UFS 2.2 storage variant, where the RAM is expandable up to 12GB. Now before I tell you more about the device performance, here are the benchmark tests that I ran on this device. On Antutu, the phone scored about 8.5 lakhs. On Wildlife, the overall score came 3180. On Wildlife Extreme Stress Test, the best loop score was 862 with 99.8% stability. Slingshot score was 5727 and Slingshot Extreme was 4563. All in all, I played BGMI for approximately 1.5 hours. You can play BGMI smoothly up to HDR plus extreme settings, and you can play it to the max graphics settings of Ultra HDR plus Ultra settings. Well, the phone's performance once again is on point. जो gameplay experience है, that is quite smooth, even at HDR plus extreme settings. But that's not the condition on the smooth plus extreme settings. Smooth plus extreme settings पे BGMI काफी ज़्यादा smooth है, and phone heat up भी नहीं होता है. Yes, you can say it's winters, but उसके अलावा phone day-to-day tasks भी काफी easily manage कर सकता है. Phone में आपको मिलता है in-display fingerprint sensor and Face ID unlock as well. दोनों की जो speed है वो काफी अच्छी है, but the Face ID unlock is slightly faster and better in my opinion. Redmi Note 15 में you get Bluetooth version 5.1 and Wi-Fi 5. Also, you get a hybrid SIM card tray which supports one nano SIM and the other side is hybrid. And if you wish to insert your SD card, you can do that as well, and you can expand your storage up to 1 TB. All in all, I am pretty impressed with the phone's performance overall. Now, let's talk about the battery and charging of this device. The Redmi Note 15 5G packs a 5520 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging to juice up in a flash and 18 watt reverse wire charging to share the power laugh. I started charging the phone at 12:54 PM with the device powered off. It reached 18% in just 10 minutes, hit 69% within 40 minutes, and took another 36 minutes to reach 100%. In total, it took a total of 1 hour and 16 minutes to charge fully from 0 to 100%. आइए अब बात करते हैं about the pricing and इस फोन के variants के बारे में. Well, the Redmi Note 15 5G starts at just rupees 19,999, and it is available in 3 colors: black, glacier blue, and mist purple. Both black and glacier blue colors are 7.35 mm thin, but the mist purple variant is slightly thicker, sitting at 7.4 mm thick. And the phone is available in 2 variants: 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB plus 256GB storage. Also, box में आपको एक case भी मिलता है, which is not the usual clear case, and honestly, it goes very well with the phone. I really liked it. This phone delivers decent performance, a good primary camera which is capable of nice pictures and decent videos without much movement. The design of this device is also quite sleek and aesthetic. Even इस phone की बैटरी भी काफी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. Overall एक अच्छा स्मार्टफोन है at this price point, needing a little more tweaks, and this will be a strong mid-range contender. Well, that's all for this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है तो make sure you like, share and subscribe. And let me know in the comments कि आपको ये फोन कैसा लगा. मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में. Till then, take care.